Hello, this is NISA School of Mastery, and we want to quickly do a review of the practice questions for Chemistry Class 1. Alright, so let's go. Number 1. Which of the following is a fundamental subatomic particle? So that is proton. Okay, there are 3 of them: proton, neutron, and electron. So the only answer there is proton. Number 2, the subatomic particle with a positive charge is that's the proton. The electron is negative, and the neutron is neutral. Okay, number 3. The charge of an electron is -1. Okay, that's B, -1. Proton is +1. Neutron is 0. Is that okay? Number 4. Which particle has no electrical charge? That's neutron. Is that correct? Neutron is neutral. Number 5. The mass of an electron is best described as C, negligible compared to proton mass. It is not A, it is not equal to proton mass, no. B, greater than neutron mass, no. That's wrong, it's not. D, twice proton mass, no. So it is C. It is negligible compared to proton mass. Alright, electron is very light. You know, I told you, very light. It does not even participate in the mass number of an atom. It is very, very light, so it is negligible. Number 6, protons are located in the nucleus, right? Yeah, in the nucleus. Electrons are on the shell or the orbiter. So proton in the nucleus. Neutrons are found in the nucleus too. Neutrons are in the nucleus. All right. Electrons are found A, B. No, none of them. Let's go to the next page. All right. In the energy levels around the nucleus. That's the surrounding around the nucleus. The shell, the surrounding orbitals around. So that's the energy levels around the nucleus, C. Next one. The atomic number of an element depends on the number of protons. Number of protons, the atomic number of protons. Then, which of the subatomic particles contribute to most of the atomic mass? D, proton and neutron. Those ones in the nucleus. I told you the electron is very, very light. It is negligible. It does not add to the atomic mass. Proton and neutron. Which of the following particles has the smallest mass? That's electron. Electron is the smallest. The relative charge of a proton is +1, right? Which statement about neutrons is correct? They repel protons. No, they don't repel protons because they are neutral. Yeah, okay, in science, positive and negative repel, right? So proton is positive, neutron is neutral, so they can't repel. B, they have a negative charge. No, electrons have negative charge. C, they stabilize the nucleus. Yes. D, they are found in the shell. No, they're not in the shell. Electrons are in the shell. So the answer is C, they stabilize the nucleus because they are neutral. If not for that, the protons positive charge will be too much. They would repel themselves, like post repel. So the protons are positive, like post repel. So they will repel themselves until the nucleus breaks off. But the neutron is neutral, so it stabilizes it. It doesn't make the nucleus to break off. It stabilizes the nucleus because both proton and neutron are in the nucleus. Number 14, the force that holds protons and neutrons together in the nucleus is nuclear force. Okay, that's the nuclear force. 15, which particle is responsible for the negative charge of an atom? That's the electron, right? Electron. 16, the mass number of an atom depends on the number of proton and neutrons, right? That's B. So the electron is not part of the mass, just proton and what? And neutron. Is that okay? Then, okay. Number 17. Which particle is not affected by electric fields? That's neutron, because it doesn't have a charge. And before electric field can affect a particle, that particle must have a charge. 18. Which subatomic particle is called a nucleon? That's the proton and neutron. They are called nucleon because both of them are in the nucleus. So we call them nucleon. The way it's seen of Nigeria is called the Nigerian. As our proton and neutron, they're in the nucleus. So we call them nucleon. Nucleon. Number 19. Which of the following is true about electrons? They increase atomic mass significantly. No, they don't increase atomic mass. They are light. Electrons are light. They are not part of the mass. B, they have a positive charge. No, they are negative. C, they move around in the nucleus. No, no, no. Oh, around. Yes, they move around. Yeah, surrounding. Let's look at D. They are found in the, no, they're not in the nucleus. They are around the nucleus. They are the surrounding shell around. So that's C, around the nucleus. Then 20. The total positive charge of an atom is due to the proton. The charge is due to the what? To the proton. To the proton. All right. All right.